Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we have an unboxing and review of EKSA E900 Pro gaming headset. The box is little bit damaged, but okay, let's see what we here have. E900 Pro headset is one of the best budget gaming headsets on the market. Compatible for all platforms like PC, PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo. This headset has a 7.1 virtual surround sound system, but you must first download the drivers from EKSA homepage. I put the links to the headset and drivers in description below. Here on the box we can see a product parameters and package list. Alright, let's take a look what's in the box. Sorry, it's tricky to open the box. Okay, let's see inside the package. Well, here we go. There is a user guide in plastic bag. A user guide and all cables, and I think, detachable microphone. Alright, let's take a closer look at the contents of the package. Well, how I told a user manual guide with useful information about how to use this headset. And this is our detachable microphone. Looks very nice, with a soft cover, and it feels flexible and easily adjustable. And what we have here else, it's USB connection cable. The cable feels on touch very rubbery and not like others, cheap and plastic hard. What cables we have else here? A cable splitter. By the way, the splitter is made too very well. And next we have a 3.5mm connection cable. Looks very good too. I try to connect it to the splitter. Yeah, very easy to connect. No struggling. And it looks like an information card from EKSA manufacturer with warranty information and how to register your purchased headset in manufacturer homepage and other useful information. And finally, take a closer look to EKSA E900 Pro gaming headset. Looks like there is an easy addition manual, like a fast starter guide, about how to start using and connect the headset. I see that the headset comes in very well-made black leather look-alike carrying bag with red cords to close the bag. The carrying bag feels on touch very soft, and the EKSA logo on the bag makes it look especially expensive and elegant. Okay, let's take a first look on this gaming headset. Well, feels on my hands like the expensive headsets. All over, the build quality is good. The mesh on both sides of headset looks very impressive and futuristic. This EKSA model has a durable metal frame and of course well-padded headband and ear cups, feels like a memory foam, and that's why it's comfortable to wear for a long time. By the way, the headband is flexible. On the side of headset is a volume controller and jacks for cable and microphone. How I said, the ear pads is soft and feels very well on ears, headband, and ear pads is covered with kinda eco leather. Oh, the headband has an EKSA logo too. All over stylish and convenient ergonomic design. How I previously said, this headset is multiple platform compatible. Okay, I try to connect the detachable noise cancelling microphone. Well, easy, no problems to connect the microphone. Okay, all over. My personal rating for this gaming headset is positive. The price and performance balance is good, build quality, like flexibility, ear pads and headband materials, is very well. Sound and voice quality is good enough. Will I recommend to buy this headset? Definitely yes. The EKSA E900 Pro gaming headset is very good mid-range, budget headset. Links for this headset you will find in description below. Okay, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.